Hi, good afternoon. This is Geronimo. Today, I'm gonna do the evaluation of this HP M426fdn. It is returned from the closing store. So before I put it into the shelf, back to the shelf, I'm gonna evaluate what's wrong with it. So the printers, as far as I know, we no longer need it for the certain store because they needed the one has with the FDW model, sub model. So you gotta turn off the power, plug and unplug everything. Connections, connections back. This is the power plug. What's that? And this is the box connection, and this is the network connection. So check if the tray is working or with papers or not. So before you load paper, you have to check the tray if it's good or not. So by adjusting back and forth this one, so you see the gears is good. So there's no problem. There's no on the side also. And if I were you, there's a alright. This is the pickup roller for tray 2. So you're gonna check the sleeve roller pad if it's good or bad. Sometimes if you close it, you have to peel it. Sometimes it's good. So snap it out. Oh. Yeah. So so I found out that this one piece of the roller is not good, and the other one is almost worn out. See this? You can even see it's almost shiny. So you have to replace with a new one. So to save money, sometimes you just buy the available parts like these. So we call this a sleeve roller, PU sleeve roller, and we just snap this out, remove these old ones, and replace with a new one. So you have to remove this thing. We snapping it out. These two pieces. Up. Yeah. And then just to remove it easy, you can cut this piece with blade a little bit. Don't cut your hands. And cut this hand and snap it. Snap it out, it's gonna break. So you don't have to worry about the old one. You have to throw it away. We call sleeve roller. Now you see the new one. This one it's hard to put it back. So what I do is I get a piece of cotton buds or cotton. What you call this? The cotton buds, and apply a little bit of water or soapy water. I apply it to both the holes here. So it's gonna be a lubricant. And push it. That's how you do it. So you don't have to buy you don't have to buy the whole assembly in order to save money. So you know the printer will last more than you're expected. Some certain parts you can buy to save money. You know, in certain way, because this roller is always consumable. You know, this is the part that you always get rid of or can anticipate to change. So just put it back like that. Snap it to the right holes and snap it back. Now everything's new now. We can put it back. So there's a technique if you want to underneath the printer without putting it upside down. You can just peel it, because, or I will show it to you. It's more easy, you know. This is it. So this is the slot. This is the gears that holds the wire in. Just pause, snap it, and try to move it out. If it's not moving out, then it's properly installed. Okay, and then go to the second stage. So after we install the roller, we're gonna check the network setting. If it's connected, okay, it's connected. So we're gonna go back to the computer and find the network. Okay, we're gonna install the network here. So Google. So 10.0.214. So I'm gonna enter 10.214. Now you can see the blue color. You see the blue? Click it. And there you can see it's connected to the web. So it means the computer says ready, says network is good. And now check the system, the ID. This one doesn't have ID. 37295. So I'm gonna put the ID, company ID. 37295 and then apply. 37295 and go to home. Go to home or sleep mode. If it is sleep mode, you have to reset it. So this is the reset. Now go to the report, try the configuration. There we'll see if the firmware is updated. So get it from here. We'll check if it's ready. So it's already been updated. 2020. So this means this printer is already updated. Okay. So the next step will be configuration again. Print the demo page and PCL font page. So this is the demo. This is a black and white monochrome. So this is the demo. It has configuration is good. Okay. So the next step what I do is check the fax, configure the fax. Go to the home setting, go to setup button, fax setup, okay? Fax, welcome, fax, okay? Okay. And then I'll just read it for you, or just read it yourself. See, no. Do you want a confirmation page to print up after fax? Yes, enable fax. Yes. Yes. And enter your company number here. Hit the button OK. And enter your company name. And hit the button OK. Does the phone line use the single ring service? Yes. I just put single. And OK. Here's the time. Do you want to change the time there? Yes. And check for the current time. 1:01:10 p.m. Monday. Okay, it's automatically updated. And then congratulations, you have completed setting up the fax in your HP. And then hit the button OK. Running fax test, just wait. Okay, it's pass. Prepare to print a report for test details. So it says pass, so we'll see the print page. Okay. HP fax report test. Pass. Because since it's pass, we're gonna do the fax service now. I mean, we're gonna send this copy to the fax, a certain number. So we're gonna test if the fax is working good. So press the button fax and enter the fax number of the company you want to send to. 972. I don't know. Then start. See the ADF machine, the ADF. We can send the fax to the ADF or the flatbed. Since the ADF is okay, I think the flatbed is more okay. Because the ADF is more sensitive. There's a mechanism in there. There's a motor also. There's gears, sets of gears, up and down. So this is the important part of the printer also. The flatbed is to the glass only. Mostly if the flatbed is working, the ADF is working, the flatbed must be working good. So now it's connecting. You have to wait until it's sending. Oh, okay. Now it's sending page. Now it's sent OK. Now it's printing document. We're gonna see the result. Oh, okay. The result is good, but when you see the print page, you see the line in here. The solid black line means we have a problem with the scanner or in the ADF. So we're gonna look at the problem. So this one is not okay if you send it to the client, you know. The print is not good. So we'll locate the problem. What is the problem? So you have to open here and look for. This is the scanner thing. Look, this is the ADA Blast, and this is the scanner device, like a camera. Now I found out the problem. For a longer period of time using it, there's a tendency that it accumulates dirt. So this dirt comes from the pen. See this one? This is the dirt. I think I need a pointer. This is the dirt and smudge that you can see to the printer. It's a ball peen mark. So this one, by mistake, maybe the user put the pen here and leave it behind sometimes. So what you gotta do, what we're gonna do is clean up the part with a cleaning solution. For cleaning the glass surface, you need alcohol or solvent, something, and use a Q-tips for cleaning it. You see that? Dissolves the dirt. Clean it. And use a microfiber cloth or any cotton cloth to absorb the dirt. Now, there's another way of checking it before you send the packs. There's another way of checking it. Do the copy first before you send the pack. So, I think I try to clean it. It's the mark is removed. Been removed. So we try to make a copy. Okay, we'll try to make a copy. So in order to see if there's a mark on the page before you send a fax. We'll see the result. Oh, wow. I made a mistake, huh? Okay, one more. Okay. The first one was mistake. I didn't load to the ADF. Now, see that, sir? The page is clear. You don't see any smudge or dirt. Clear, it's a clear copy. So, since we removed the dirt mark, we can proceed now for the fax. Okay. What happened to the report? Okay, before you send the fax, you have to feed the paper to the ADA properly and make sure it says document loaded. And then go to the fax mode and enter the fax number. And start button. See that? It's dialing. Just wait a little bit and see the result. Now it's connecting. It's connecting. It's connecting to the fax number. So it's a little bit. Sometimes it's tropical, see. Sending page 1, so the send fax mode is okay. Sometimes due to heavy traffic, It's like an air traffic, you know. It's hanging up there in the air. You have to wait. Then after sending, it will automatically print the report. See this vaccine. Okay, now it's printing. Okay, we'll see what's the result. Okay, that's good. See, you see the result? This is the page that we sent. And it says, okay, page 1. Time, duration, the fax number is there. And look at the copy, it's good. Whatever we sent, the one we sent is the one we got. So means the fax is okay. So we stop right there and we go to the next one. So after the fax, we're gonna go to check the network. Oh no. Go to the network and install the network to the devices so we can test the Windows. So this is the fax number that we're gonna use. Oh no, sorry. This is the network number. Okay. Okay, 214. So this we go to the desktop here. Locate the printer. Okay. So the printer. Add printer. Printer that wasn't in the list, and add IP and CRP, and hit the button X. And you have to type the IP here. This is the IP that I previously tried. Next. Now it says it's president M426fdn. So we got it. Hit the button next. And then do not share the printer next. And print the test page. Button close it. So everything is working. The Windows connected. You have to pick up the page in here. So this is the Windows page test. It's a black and white because the printer is black and white. Monochrome. So it's good. So fax, Windows are okay and it works okay. So we have to lock now the setting. So we go to service, clear the faxes, so before we wrap everything is clear, you know. Go back to service. Go to the laser update and manage updates. Allow downgrade. No. Check automatically. No. You know why? Because we just updated it, and if it's updated, the user doesn't have to update it, only the company. Because once they update it in the system there while they're using it, it's gonna mess up the whole process. I mean, the program. So prompt, always prompt. Allow updates? No. We just lock it to no, so they cannot update anything there. So far so good. We change the roller, pick up rollers, we check everything is working. And PCL test, so Windows and PCL, everything is working good. So this printer is ready to go. So I have to lock down everything in my company. I mean, we have a process how we install everything and keep the records. So this printer is now ready to be shipped or to be sold, or for sale for the customers, or ever how hot swap. Sometimes we customers are having troubles with another printer, and we ship them the new one. One of them is this one. So maybe luckily this one will go to the new store. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Geronimo again. Today, what we did is evaluating the printer, test the fax, network, on Windows, and we changed the rollers also, the parts, and we clean up the ADF roller assembly on the ADF glasses. So if you see, this is the ADF motor, and this is the another roller mechanism for the ADF. So once this is where you feed the paper for copying, it's like a automatic loading. This is the motor. So this is the part that I clean up. So remember, if you see a dirt from the print or copy, kindly check this is the glass. So any dirt there that smudge or gum or paste or everything, ink, it will cause the copy